Samsung has revealed the first official images of the Z Fold 7, confirming some early speculations. The Z Fold 7 is believed to be Samsung's thinnest foldable yet, closely mirroring the Oppo Find N5. The hinge has been relocated closer to the body, enabling the Fold to replace the traditional phone rather than just complementing it. The Ultra branding has been hinted in news publications many times, but this marketing stand reveals that the phone will continue to be branded the Z Fold 7 without the Ultra. The Fold 7 will include a 200-megapixel primary camera, like the S25 Ultra and S25 Edge. Although the other cameras are not ultra-sized, Samsung is focused on camera quality with industry-first technology. One of the most notable upgrades is the Z Fold 7's new Pro Visual Engine, which improves picture quality, video stability, and digital zoom photos. The cameras will also be smart, reacting to what users gaze at. This is akin to the S25 Ultra's Gemini AI, which can interact with and react to what is shown on the screen. The assistant may be included into the camera app, removing the need for a separate app for asking questions or gathering information. The camera will detect whether you're attempting to capture a shot or checking for information. Samsung promises that the Galaxy camera will be integrated into an intuitive system that translates what you see into genuine knowledge and action. Samsung is also likely to discuss Gemini Live at the forthcoming Unpacked event, which hints at the new camera Smart AI function that will be available via a software update for the S25 Ultra later. The S25 Ultra may be released in a dramatic new color, something dark, rich, and luxurious. In conclusion, Samsung's Z Fold 7 is projected to be a sleek and sophisticated gadget that prioritizes camera quality and AI-powered capabilities. The S25 Ultra will be available in a striking new color, making it a welcome addition to the foldable market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.